Eddie the Brave, Bold Eagle. Stories by English with Miss Julia for English learners. This story is designed to support your English learning, introducing new vocabulary, and hopefully for you to practice your pronunciation. That being said, let's get started. High in the mountains, a bold eagle named Eddie lived in a giant nest. He had shiny brown feathers and a bright white head. Eddie loved to soar through the sky, but he was still learning how to be brave. Eddie's nest sat on a tall cliff. From there, he could see rivers, forests, and meadows. Every day, he watched the other animals below. He dreamed of flying far and wide. Mama Eagle often brought fish from the river. Eddie would chirp loudly when she returned. "Someday you'll catch your own," she said. Eddie wasn't sure if he was ready. One sunny morning, Mama said, "It's time to practice." Eddie stretched his wings carefully. The wind felt strong under his feathers. He gulped nervously, but stood tall. Mama flew into the sky with ease. Eddie hopped to the edge of the nest. "Come on, Eddie," she called. His heart beat fast as a drum. Boom, 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 boom. Eddie leapt into the air. At first he wobbled and tilted. The wind carried him gently forward. "Wow, I'm really flying," he cried. He swooped low over the forest. He saw rabbits darting into burrows. Deer lifted their heads to watch. Eddie felt proud of his strong wings. But then a dark shadow passed overhead. It was a storm cloud rolling in. The sky rumbled with thunder, and Eddie grew worried and flapped harder. Raindrops splashed against his feathers. The wind pushed him off course. Eddie didn't know where to go. He called out for Mama. Mama soared beside him quickly. "Stay calm, Eddie," she said. "Follow me back to the cliff." Together they battled the storm. At last, the rain stopped. The sun peeked through the clouds. Eddie and Mama rested on a branch. Eddie's feathers dripped with water. "You were brave, Eddie," Mama said. "You faced the storm and didn't give up." Eddie smiled a little, but he still felt unsure about hunting. If you're enjoying this story thus far, please click the like button and do consider subscribing to our channel. This way you will be notified of our next stories. And remember, all the important vocabulary used in this story will be found at the end of this video. The next day, Mama pointed to the river. "Today you'll try fishing." Eddie peered at the rushing water below. He saw silver fish darting quickly. Eddie circled above the water, He watched the fish swim close to the surface. His sharp eyes locked onto one. He tucked his wings and dove. Splash! Eddie hit the water, but the fish slipped away. Eddie shook his head, dripping wet. I can't do it, he sighed. Mama landed beside him. Every eagle misses at first, she said. Try again, Eddie. You are strong. Eddie nodded and flapped back into the sky. He circled once more. This time he focused carefully. He spotted a shining fish near a rock. Down he went, talons ready. Splash! His claws grabbed tightly. The fish wriggled, but Eddie held on. He rose out of the water proudly. I did it, he cheered. Mama's eyes sparkled with joy. You're becoming a true hunter, she said. Eddie felt taller and stronger than ever. The forest animals cheered from below. That evening, Eddie perched high on a branch. The sunset painted the sky orange and gold. He spread his wings wide. He felt like the king of the mountain. The next morning, Eddie flew alone. He wanted to explore new places. He followed the river downstream, and it led him to a wide meadow. In the meadow, he saw a fox. The fox was chasing a rabbit, and the rabbit squeaked and ran fast. Eddie felt a tug in his heart. Without thinking, Eddie swooped down. He flapped his wings loudly near the fox. The fox yelped and ran away. The rabbit hopped off to safety. Eddie landed on a branch nearby. The rabbit looked up at him. Thank you, brave eagle, it squeaked. Eddie's chest swelled with pride. Word spread quickly in the forest. Eddie is a hero, the animals said. He had saved the rabbit from danger. Eddie blushed, but felt proud inside. That night, Eddie told Mama the story. She hugged him with her wings. I always knew you were brave, she said. Eddie smiled and closed his eyes. The moon shone bright over the mountains. Eddie dreamed of flying above the stars. He imagined exploring the whole world. Adventure was waiting for him. The next day, Eddie soared higher. The wind lifted him with ease. He glided across valleys and lakes. The earth below looked tiny. Eddie knew he was growing strong. He could fish, fly, and protect others. He wasn't just a little eagle anymore. He was a symbol of courage. From that day on, Eddie flew proudly. He loved his home in the mountains. But he also loved the wide open sky. Eddie, the bold eagle, was truly brave. Thank you for reading this story with us. If you enjoyed it, please click the like button. And remember to subscribe to our channel. This way we may remind you of our new stories as well as helping people all over the world to improve their English language. We look forward to seeing you in our next story. Please follow on to see the vocabulary used in this story.